We are going to explain you what is the difference between an inverter V and a non-inverter V air conditioner. So when you start an inverter V air conditioner and a non-inverter V air conditioner, you feel that the inverter V gives you faster cooling. The reason being, it starts with a higher RPM compared to a non-inverter AC. So it is able to achieve the temperature much faster compared to a non-inverter AC. So you can see you achieve faster cooling with higher RPM. Now I'll explain you how it saves energy. So if you see, when it starts, the non-inverter AC, when it achieves the temperature, it stops. But inverter V air conditioner compressor, it constantly runs to maintain that same temperature. So while doing so, it is just consuming a very low energy consumption compared to a non-inverter AC, which whenever it starts, it consumes the same power required to achieve that cooling capacity. So for example, I can explain you, like for a 1.5 ton AC, if an inverter V air conditioner is consuming, suppose at start, around 1800 watt, and a non-inverter AC is consuming around maybe 1800 watt. So every time when a non-inverter AC will start, it will consume 1800 watt to achieve that temperature of achieve the temperature and maintain the cooling capacity of 1.5 ton. While in case of an inverter AC, when it will start, it will maybe consume an energy consumption of maybe 1900 watt. But once it achieves the temperature, it will just try to maintain that temperature. While doing so, it is only going to probably consume maybe around 900 watt of power consumption. So that how overall, if we see, there will be a great amount of energy saving in inverter V compared to non-inverter V.